How to make money online. There are lots of popular get-rich-quick, money-making ideas that always pop up. Do they work? Maaaybe. But you'd probably make more money from your 9-to-5 job. At least then it's a guaranteed paycheck. The truth is there are real ways to make money online, millions of people are doing it each day. So let's break down how to make money online. The real way. 1. Start dropshipping. Let's start our list off with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rapidly growing, highlighting its viability as a way to make money online. In case you don't know what dropshipping is a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. The best way to make money online dropshipping? Most entrepreneurs have been focusing on a few marketing strategies: running Facebook ads, having influencers promote your products, and sending direct messages, DMs, to potential customers on social media. 2. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you're a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commission may seem small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet is to focus on content marketing. 3. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content people want that either educates or entertains. You can use a headline that's witty to entice people to watch, or you can use keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. 4. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The easiest platforms to do that, YouTube and Instagram. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, speaking gigs, create your own online store and sell products, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, get paid as a brand ambassador, create a book, get paid to appear at events, and more. 5. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. You can start a blog on various platforms, from Shopify to WordPress. When you start your blog, focus on very specific keywords with a tight focus and continue to expand into other but relevant categories as you grow and dominate new spaces. This will allow you to build a massive blog over time. There are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your posts, don't forget a disclaimer. You can monetize with AdSense by placing ads strategically on your website. Bloggers can also sell digital or physical products on their website either. Point 6. Invest in stocks. You can also make money fast by investing in stocks. If you aren't an expert in picking stock, you might want to skip this money-making idea. While it can have one of the highest rewards, it can also result in money loss if you're inexperienced. If you currently hold a 9-to-5 job, Look into your company's financial programs. Do they allow you to invest in company stocks? If so, sign up for it. At least with a company stock program, you have some influence in the company's success as an employee. If your company has an RRSP matching program, you can also sign up for that if your goal is to save up for retirement or a down payment on your first home. Conclusion: making money online can help you earn some extra side hustle money, but it can also help you escape your 9-to-5 job so you can become a full-time entrepreneur. By making more money, you gain more financial freedom, improve your financial security, and inch closer to living life on your terms. It really is possible to earn a living online if you work hard and stick with it. So, which side hustle will you try out first?